This is a Nike ad. So is this. And this soda commercial? Yeah, all three are 100% AI, and I made every one of them for free. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact free workflow: sneakers, car, and a drink. And a trick to chain clips together so your ad isn't stuck at 5 seconds. Agencies charge thousands for spots that look worse than these. By the end, you'll be able to make a product commercial for literally any brand, real or one you invent, without spending a cent. So don't skip, because the chaining trick is what makes this actually usable. So here's the deal. We're using 2 free tools, Dola and Google Flow. Dola's been my go-to for clean product shots, and Flow handles the cinematic motion stuff insanely well. Together, they're stupid powerful, and again, free. I'm doing 3 completely different products on purpose: sneakers, a car, and a drink, because each one teaches a different look. Hype motion, changing from calm to intense, and that glossy condensation splash thing every soda ad has. By the end of this, you'll have a repeatable system. Same workflow, swap the product, done in about 10 minutes each. So let's jump right into it. And first, we will be doing a sneaker commercial, which is the easiest in my opinion. I start by opening Dola, and then I begin typing my hero shot prompt, something like cinematic product commercial, white sneaker rotating on a pedestal, studio lighting, slow motion, hyper-realistic. Then I hit generate. Boom, first clip already done. Don't worry, the time it says you will have to wait is mostly not true, and you will get your clip way quicker than that. But here's our first problem. It's only 10 seconds. That's not a commercial, that's a GIF. So here's the trick, and this is the whole video, honestly. Take that clip, screenshot the very last frame. That end frame becomes your reference image for the next generation. Then I drop it into Flow, prompt the next beat. Camera pushes in, sneaker laces tighten, energy build. And because it starts from that exact frame, the 2 clips connect seamlessly. Do that 2 or 3 times, and you've got a 20 to 30-second ad that flows like one continuous shot, from a tool that only gives you 10 seconds at a time. Quick pro tip, because this will happen to you. Sometimes the chain breaks. The product warps or the lighting jumps between clips. Easy fix. Don't screenshot the literal last frame. Grab one a few frames earlier where the image is cleanest and add consistent lighting, same product, to the next prompt. That one line fixes like 80% of the weird AI glitches. Let me show you the full result. I know it's not perfect, but it is free, and I think it beats a lot of animations you would have to pay a lot for. So, to summarize the flow for this one: generate, screenshot a clean end frame, feed it back in as the reference, repeat. But the prompt wording on each chain matters way more than you'd think. I'll show you on the car advert. Real quick, if a free AI Nike ad is the kind of thing you want to be able to make, subscribe. I drop free AI workflows like this every week. Back to the video, and you definitely want to see the next one. Why did I say it's different than the sneaker? Because it has a different vibe. This one's about reflections and speed. Same workflow, but watch the prompt change. In Dola, sleek luxury sports car in a dark studio, glossy paint reflecting light streaks, slow camera glide, cinematic. Then I chain it like before. Screenshot the end frame, into Flow, car accelerates down a wet neon street, motion blur. The key on successful chaining: each new prompt should describe motion continuing from where the last clip ended, not a brand new scene. Say, continues. Say, camera keeps moving. That's what stops it from looking like a slideshow. Now take a look yourself. I would say that's a pretty good car advert. Now for the micro summary. Same chain method, but prompt for continuous motion and reflections sell the speed. Next up, we will be doing an ad for a drink, and this is where it gets ridiculous. But first, the boring problem nobody talks about once you've made these. Okay, real problem. Say you make these 3 ads. Now what? You've got to post them on YouTube, TikTok, Insta, Shorts, Reels, different sizes, different captions, manually, every single time. That's hours. So this is where repurpose.io fits like a glove. Basically, it's automation for distributing your videos. You upload once, pick where your content comes from and where you want it to go, and it auto-reformats and pushes your content to every platform on autopilot. The exact kind of thing this channel's about. Links in the description, it's free to start, and if you're cranking out AI content like this, it's a no-brainer. All right, back to the drink because this one looks unreal. This is the one I'd actually put on TV. The drink. Every soda ad has 3 things: condensation, a splash, and that beautiful set down. So we chain for exactly that. In Dola, we prompt something like ice-cold soda can, condensation droplets, studio backlight, hyper-realistic. Screenshot the end frame. Then we go over to Flow and we type something like this. Liquid splash erupts around the can, slow motion. Chain again. Camera pulls back, can lands on table, droplets settle. Combining these clips gives you a full long ad that looks like it cost a lot. It's all thanks to Dola and Flow's animation. The motion on the splash is the part that sells it as real. Take a look at the finished product and let me know in the comments what you think of it. As you can see, it looks stunning for something you can make for free in the time it would take to make a coffee. A short summary if you want to make similar content. 3 things: condensation, splash, and a calm finish. You've got a soda commercial. And that's the whole system on 3 totally different products. Now, before I end the video, I have to tell you guys about the limits, because it's not like I can generate infinitely. For Dola, you can make 2 10-second videos and 1 5-second video a day. And in Google Flow, you can make 5 clips a day. So you can do everything I did in just 2 days. Or you can make 1 very long and polished ad a day for free. I will send the links to the websites in the description so you can start today. That's all for the limits. So that's 3 free AI commercials: sneakers, car, drink, using Dola and Flow, with the end frame chaining trick to make them long enough to actually use. Comment which product I should make next. Phone? Perfume? Pick the hardest one and I'll try to break the workflow. Because once you can chain clips, you're not making 5-second toys anymore. You're making actual content. If you enjoyed this video, why not give another one a try? I'll link one that I think you will find helpful. See you there.